guys, so the anime that I am going to be reviewing in this video is a really amazing one and so tempting that I waited a really long time, like 2-3 years, just to start this anime. At first when I heard of it, it was like 75 episodes and I was like, man, it's a really long, and how can I able to start this or complete it? But to be honest, actually, I started this anime, and after watching its first episode, I got a relief that it's only a 5 minute long episode. So now you can calculate how many hours it's going to take you to complete. And basically, each episode is so amazing and hilarious, and it's full of cute. I mean, they are so cute that I was like, I want to pet. I want a baby. Like, not seriously. I'm not at that age, obviously, but they are so cute, and I really enjoyed it, and they are so cute. I don't really know what to say. Basically, a story about a 14-year-old girl. She got bullied all the days, and basically, one night a devil baby, a small baby came, and it was told to her that she has to become his mother. And there was a guy and his childhood friends, like something like that, and he became his father. So it's kind of like I mean, it's basically for childrens. To be honest, childrens are going to like these type of animes a lot. But to be honest, obviously I'm not a children, but I really enjoyed it, and I can say after watching this trailer that's running in the background, you are going to be so tempted that you want to watch this anime. It contains so cute children. Little. They are very fluffy, and I won't even able to tell anything right now. I am so confused what to say. Anime is a must watch, guys. Even if it take a whole year, just go and watch it. I really highly recommend this anime. It's so cute, and if you got a small kid around yourself, or maybe if you are a newlywed or something like that, or girlfriend, something, in any situation, show it to others and watch yourself. It's a really amazing anime. So yeah, guys, I am going to wrap this video here. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you do, please like this video and subscribe my channel and share it with others, because it's a really amazing anime and you guys should definitely watch it. Kids can easily watch it. It's really amazing. It's family friendly, so yeah, you know what to do, right? So yeah, that's for this video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you.